Hello, welcome to Aruba, or specifically our room in St. Regis. This is our first time in Aruba and we're really excited. This trip will be more of a casual one. We will try not to do a lot of activities, but truly just rest and be by the beach, La Dolce Vita, if you will. And really excited to see Aruba. And this vlog will be slightly different because I challenged myself not to bring my professional camera, so everything will be filmed using my phone, and if the quality is not that good, I'm sorry, but I'm just gonna try and enjoy the moment, and I hope you guys love this vlog. Bye! So our room wasn't ready when we arrived around 12 o'clock, so we had a quick lunch and we just got to our room around like 2:40, 2:50, and honestly, it's beautiful. the
green beans,
vegetable with
vegetables,
coconut milk.
duck.
No, this is duck. This is like the ribs.
Oh, ribs.
And this is the fish curry. And then that's the dip. Trolley.
Overall, if I can give an honest opinion on St. Regis, I don't know. I feel like I would do a 7 or an 8 over 10. Like, overall, the service is pretty great. Everyone's super nice and friendly. I don't feel very, like, overwhelmed with a lot of people, and it's never too crowded. So we always have a seat by the pool or a seat by the beach. We don't have to, like, rush on anything.
But my pet peeve is they don't have real coffee or teacups in their room, and we had to call the front desk just to get one.
Demographic-wise, it's a mixture of, like, older couple, younger couple, and also like families. So I think demographic-wise it's really good.
As for Aruba, we have nothing but great things to say. We think it's beautiful and the people are friendly. We also felt very safe walking in the middle of the night from our hotel and going to restaurants. And overall, it's just like a special place to be in, and we understand why people want to come back or retire here.